Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute raccoon. We'll need two pieces of paper, one like narrow one and then one regular size. The narrow one, let's just put it aside and let's fold the big one in half. Now grab a marker and let's draw an arch. Like imagine you're drawing a rainbow. Just like that, that's good. On this side, we're gonna add a line like this and bring it to the other side. Now from here, I'm gonna put like a dot. I'm gonna bring the line to one side and then to the other. Beautiful. Let's add a nose. And a cute smile. Now it's time to add the eyes. The ears. Beautiful. Let's add a body now. Great. Was it a tail? And then we can add like a superhero outfit. Very nice. I'm gonna color the nose. Grab the scissors and we're gonna cut those circles. Now grab this piece of paper and just insert it inside like this. Let's add the eyes. Color them black. And now look at how cute. Like grab a nice pink color and we can add the cheeks. Now grab gray and I'm gonna use very light gray. And watercolor. Now let's grab black and we're gonna draw like a triangle around like this eye first. Let's color these parts here. Good job, guys. Now, one final touch. And you can color it red or blue. You decide how you want it. So I'm gonna color it red. Here we go. And our cute raccoon is ready. Now grab the glue. Go. And it's ready. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you, guys.